He thinks it sounds like a record. But there's no such thing as a release date till after it happens. Found that out on the second record. And several subsequently. But anyway, this is a song about it's about feudalism and 18th century European primogeniture and their combined effects on modern day American redneck culture. There will be a quiz. In the old world, when your race was run, it all went to the eldest son. What's the poor second son to do but join up with the common man, set sail for the promised land, across the mighty ocean blue? And they made us who we are. So let's wave those stripes and stars for the sons of the second sons, products of genocide, polishing up their guns, righteous and justified, and the sons of the peasantry, thinking they're finally free, sons of the faithful serfs, salt of the blessed earth, in search of a master. Looking back, it seems that way. Tried to put our best foot down. We left tracks in the litter dust, did away with the meaner stuff. All could ride at the front of the bus now. Didn't need no Jim Crow car, and we thought we'd come so far. Sons of the second sons, products of genocide, polishing up our guns, eating that southern pride. Sons of the peasantry, telling ourselves we're free. Sons of the faithful serfs, salt of the blessed earth, in search of a savior. Nowadays we're feeling stressed, it's all for us and damn the rest, telling each other to have a blessed day. All camoed up and standing tall, building bombs and border walls, as all collective conscience falls away. And they wave those stars and bars, 'cause they're really who we are. Sons of the second son, products of genocide, believing in God and guns, paying on double wides. Sons of the peasantry, telling ourselves we're free. Sons of the loyal serfs, salt of the blessed earth, in search of a savior. Sons of the second sons, products of genocide, polishing up our guns, living in double wives. Sons of the peasantry, telling ourselves we're free. Sons of the pagan serfs, salt of the fucking earth, in search of a Caesar.